In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ClickUp workflow to manage multiple projects efficiently. By the end, you'll have a clear structure you can reuse across any team or initiative, so everything stays organized and on track. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're new to ClickUp, no worries, this process is straightforward. You can work in either the web version or the desktop app. They look and behave almost the same. For your convenience, I've placed the official website and download link right at the top of the description so you can get to ClickUp quickly. Next, create a dedicated space and name it Projects. This space will be the home base for everything related to your active work. When you're setting it up, make sure the list feature is enabled. Lists are perfect for managing multiple projects because they let you group and filter tasks by stages without mixing things up across different efforts. Inside the project space, create a folder for each project. For example, you might have one folder for Project Alpha, one for Project Beta, and another for Project Gamma. A simple rule is one folder per project, which helps you keep files, discussions, and tasks neatly separated. Now, within each project folder, create lists for your workflow stages. A reliable setup is planning, execution, review, and completed. Planning is where you collect ideas and requirements. Execution is where the core work happens. Review is for feedback, quality assurance, and approvals. Completed is your archive of finished tasks and milestones. Keeping these stages consistent across folders will make reporting and cross-project oversight much easier. Add tasks to each stage for the actual work. Examples could include conduct market research, design landing page, develop prototype, and final QA testing. Keep your task titles actionable and add descriptions or attachments so teammates understand the context without hunting for information. To make tracking clearer, add custom fields such as assigned team member, deadline, priority, project name, and status. Custom fields give you uniform visibility across all projects, and they'll be especially helpful when you filter tasks or build summaries later. Apply consistent task statuses, to do, in progress, review, and completed, across every project. Using the same language everywhere avoids confusion and makes progress comparisons straightforward. Finally, monitor your projects using list, board, or dashboard views. List view gives you a detailed, sortable table. Board view shows work by status, great for quick stand-ups. Dashboards pull everything together so you can track timelines, workloads, and progress at a glance. That's it. You now have a ClickUp workflow to manage multiple projects efficiently, keeping teams organized and projects on track. Thanks for watching.